Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and we're going to discuss today the 5 ways to keep your house less dusty and better ways to dust your home to prevent dust from forming in the future. Where are we going to start? Here we go. The first way to keep your home less dusty, and I know this is not what you want to hear, we need to keep our windows shut. Just know that dust and dirt is coming in from the outside through our screens, getting the house dusty. Try to keep those windows shut whenever possible. Second, you have to replace your AC filter. Replace it often. Your air goes through your return, and that filter is filtering out dust and dirt. It's not your only line of defense, but it's very smart to do often on a monthly basis. Use a manufactured recommended filter. Ma'am? She's looking for her toy. This is not your toy. So where were we? Replace your AC filter on a monthly basis. Make sure it's factory recommended. Those are your first line of defense from dust and dirt going through all of your ductwork. And then number 3, make sure you have your ducts clean. Your ducts have to be clean because your air is flowing through. You have to have clean ducts because your air is flowing through that ductwork when you have your air conditioning or your heating on. Get your ducts clean. This is where VacMD comes in. Dusting. Do not dust with a microfiber cloth. These are fabulous. I'm guilty of it myself. It's a nice quick fix. However, you are just displacing the dust into the air and then it will settle again. Yes, some of it comes off on the microfiber cloth, but not all of it. The best way to dust your home and keep the dust away is using a dusting brush on a bagged vacuum. Bagged vacuum, yes. Bagged vacuums are healthier, they hold on to the dust better. So if you have a bagless vacuum, check out my video about how to turn your bagless vacuum into a healthy bagged vacuum. Use a bagged vacuum or a central vac like I do in order to dust your home and get rid of the dust for good. That vacuum will then contain your dust and make sure that it doesn't go back into your air. The 5th way is to clean your bedding often. I don't know about you, but my bedroom has the most dust in all of my house. So cleaning your bedding often, I really need to do it more, but clean it as often as possible. Your bedding harbors dust and dirt, dust mites, and your skin cells, and that's just a place for it to create more dust in your home. The last and final way is to get an air purifier. We sell air purifiers at VacMD. We sell a couple different brands. Air purifiers are your best defense. They're vacuuming your air 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Think about it. The rooms you're in the most. So put an air purifier in your office, put an air purifier in your living room, and one in your bedroom because you're sleeping there 7-8 hours a night. Air purifiers will remove dust, dirt, allergens. I have customers who swear that they cannot sleep without them. I know in my bedroom, I need to have an air purifier going. 6 ways, let's review them. Keep your windows closed when possible. Change your AC filter. Clean your ducts. Vacuum when dusting. Do not dust when dusting. Vacuum when dusting. Clean your bedding often. Invest in a good air purifier. We do have videos on air purifiers and what they can do. Don't forget to check out our videos on how to make your bagless vacuum a bagged one. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like this. We hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
You guys, I swear, do you want your toy back? You want your toy?